Hello everyone, welcome to the cooking simulator tutorial. In previous videos we created a food item that can be dragged, sliced and fixed on plate. However, we haven't created a box where players can obtain this item. Therefore, let's construct a very basic food box before we proceed to create other food items. Create a BP food box inherited from the BP table class. Open it and change the material for the cube. Later we will update this to show which food item is inside, but for now we haven't specified any food item. Next, open the event graph and delete all existing events. Then implement the grab drop event. Right-click on this event and select Add Call to Parent function. This is necessary because in some cases food boxes need to function as tables. Now move the parent call to the right. Next we will invoke it under two conditions. For the first condition, verify if the placed object is valid and can be dragged by a player. If it can, call the parent's grab drop event. For the second condition, if the placed object is not valid and the player is holding an object, also call the parent's grab drop event. Remember to pass the player to the parent function call. In scenarios where there is no placed object and the player isn't holding anything, spawn an actor from BP food item. Using the current actor's transform as a spawn transform, then call grab drop on the spawned item. Lastly, open the level and place the food box into the scene. Test to see how it works. And it works well. Thank you for your attention and see you soon!